Number 1.
1999 GMC Sonoma, price $5,000, presented in a bold red exterior paired with a refined gray interior. This Sonoma SLS has logged 130,000 original miles and features an engaging 5-speed manual transmission. The vehicle runs and drives impeccably, powered by a robust engine and a well-maintained drivetrain. Built on a solid frame that remains in excellent condition, it has recently been upgraded with a brand new clutch alongside fresh brakes and rotors. Both inside and out, the truck is remarkably clean, well-preserved, and strictly non-smoker owned. Equipped with a high-quality aftermarket stereo system, every feature functions seamlessly. Complete with a clean title in hand, this versatile Sonoma is equally suited as a dependable daily driver, an efficient work truck, or a timeless classic to keep and collect.
Number 2.
1996 Ford F-150, price $7,500, showing just 29,000 miles on the odometer. Visually appealing and structurally sound, the vehicle pairs a classic white exterior finish with a rich burgundy interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 5.0-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. While the body exhibits a desirable, authentic patina that reflects its time on the road, it remains completely free of rust and exceptionally solid throughout. The mechanical care of this truck is well documented through major component updates over the years. Its automatic transmission was upgraded with a Jasper remanufactured unit several years ago, and the rear axle was similarly replaced with a Jasper remanufactured unit nearly 4 years ago. Inside the cabin, modern conveniences abound, including ice-cold air conditioning, electric power windows, and electric power locks, while the rear bed comes equipped with a protective liner to handle cargo.
Number 3.
2003 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500, represents an increasingly rare find in today's market, remaining exceptionally clean both inside and out. With a pristine, accident-free history confirmed by its Carfax report and a clear title in hand, this compact pickup has accumulated a modest 137,000 miles on the odometer. Visually appealing, it boasts a sharp all-white exterior finish complemented by a well-maintained gray interior, as well as a remarkably tidy truck bed that reflects years of mindful ownership. Driven by a dependable gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this vehicle combines practical utility with effortless drivability. Compact trucks of this caliber and condition are growing harder to source, making this solid S10 an extraordinary opportunity. Whether utilized as an economical daily commuter, an enjoyable weekend cruiser, or a prime canvas for an automotive enthusiast's custom project.
Number 4.
1989 Toyota pickup, price $8,900, it has accumulated just 165,000 miles over its lifespan. Under the hood, it is powered by Toyota's legendary and virtually bulletproof 22 or 4-cylinder gasoline engine, which works seamlessly alongside an engaging 4-speed manual transmission. The truck showcases a crisp white exterior paired with a neat gray interior, riding on a set of good tires that are ready for the road. Practicality is further enhanced by the inclusion of a complete truck bed cover. Inside the cabin, occupants can enjoy an inviting environment equipped with ice-cold air conditioning and a fully functional radio/audio system. Preserved in its original condition and kept safely stored indoors, this timeless Japanese pickup offers a fantastic blend of vintage charm, mechanical durability, and everyday utility.
Number 5.
2006 Ford F-150, price $5,900. The truck is a two-owner personal vehicle offered in excellent condition with 147,500 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.4-liter V8 Triton engine delivering 308 horsepower through an automatic transmission and a rear-wheel drive setup, this pickup pairs a handsome brown exterior with stylish 20-inch aftermarket rims and a practical covered bed. The comfortable 5-seat beige interior comes well appointed with cold air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors, a power seat, cruise control, automatic headlights, and an anti-theft system equipped with keyless entry and an engine immobilizer. Cabin entertainment is elevated by combining the original Ford sound system with an upgraded JVC audio unit featuring Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and an aftermarket subwoofer with an amplifier. Sold complete with 2 keys, a clean title, an in-hand smog certificate, and active registration through September 2026, this solid truck is completely turnkey and ready for its next owner.
Number 6.
1994 Ford F-150, price $8,000, showing 203,000 miles on the odometer, pairing a sleek black exterior with a remarkably clean gray interior.
Powered by a gasoline engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission, the truck continues to drive and handle well on the road.
The vehicle remains mostly in its original stock condition, though it benefits from sensible modern upgrades, including electric radiator fans for improved cooling, an upgraded exhaust system, a contemporary CarPlay head unit, and a trifold soft bed cover installed just 2 years ago. The primary flaw of this truck is rust, most notably around the rear fender arches where body repairs. In terms of electrical details, the dashboard shows an active airbag light, and the cruise control system is currently inoperable, which likely stems from a shared component issue inside the steering wheel setup.
Number 7.
2004 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,200, having accumulated a reasonable 137,000 miles over its lifespan. Dressed in a vibrant red exterior that creates a bold contrast against a remarkably clean gray interior, this accident-free pickup has been well cared for and remains immaculate both inside and out, extending all the way to its spotless truck bed. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a potent 5.7-liter V8 Hemi gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. Both the motor and transmission operate at 100%, delivering robust performance without any mechanical issues or headaches for the future seller. Further enhancing driver comfort, the cabin comes fully equipped with ice-cold air conditioning. Solid, reliable, and completely clean, this truck offers an exceptional balance of strong Hemi performance, four-wheel drive utility, and hassle-free ownership for its next driver.
Number 8.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has only 408,000 miles on the odometer, and pairing a timeless black exterior with a comfortable tan interior. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 4.3-liter engine mated to a manual transmission that features an upgraded Hurst shifter, delivering a solid, responsive, and enjoyable driving feel. Serving as a reliable daily driver that runs well, this solid truck combines nostalgic styling with practical utility thanks to its spacious long bed setup. While mechanically sound and fully capable for everyday tasks, the vehicle does require a replacement air conditioning compressor to get the cabin cooling system back in working order. Overall, this vintage Chevy offers a fantastic foundation, blending iconic 1980s styling, manual driving engagement, and rugged practicality for its next owner.
Number 9.
1979 GMC Sierra, price $9,500, coated in a vintage brown exterior matched with a brown interior. This classic stepside pickup is far from a heavy restoration project and functions perfectly as a reliable daily driver, currently registered on non-operative status for convenient buyer transfer. Performance-wise, the truck has accumulated a mere 5,000 miles following a complete rebuild of its 350 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine. This strong power plant is backed by a dependable 350 automatic transmission, a heavy-duty 12-bolt rear axle, aftermarket exhaust headers, and a dual exhaust system that gives it a distinct, muscular sound. Factory equipped with the rare and sought-after heavy Chevy option package. The vehicle rides on classic steel rally wheels that accentuate its aggressive stance. From its iconic short bed contours to its solid mechanical foundation, this timeless GMC delivers the ultimate combination of 1970s truck style, rust-free preservation, and immediate street capability.
Number 10.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,400, shows 155,000 miles on the odometer, combining a solid gray exterior with a functional tan interior. Powered by a dependable 5.0-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this 2WD truck runs and drives exceptionally well, offering reliable performance that makes it fully ready to drive anywhere right away. Structurally, the vehicle boasts an impressively solid body with absolutely zero rust. A previous owner spray-painted the exterior with primer, so a fresh, high-quality paint job would dramatically enhance its visual appeal. The truck rides on a set of brand new tires and retains working essential features, including fully operational lights, windshield wipers, and effective cabin heat. While it comes factory equipped with an air conditioning system, the AC is currently non-functional, and the vehicle also notes a crack running across the bottom of the windshield. Despite these minor cosmetic and functional considerations, this classic Chevy provides a dependable, rust-free daily driver with incredible potential for its next owner.